16th day. First hour of the day. Oh, breakfast feeding. Amos of July 3. Nag-enjoy, naglaro, nag-stretching, nag-crawling, sitting, oh. Yan sila, oh. Barking. Oh. Lakad-lakad na. Ito si G, ang pinakahuling pinanganak. Si A and G. Ito si F, PP. And then, ayang white. Mao si C, white. At ito si D, nag-relax, sleeping. Well, ito si Billy, right here. Nasa carpet. Si Billy. Ito si Ilik, walking Ilik. They finished feeding 5 or 10 minutes ago. So, they were taken out from their home, from their house, usual living place. So now, after feeding, they are being placed outside. And so, narito na si Dash. Mukhang matutulog na. Ito rin si Fifi. So, sleep. Now, they were taken out of their parterre and Mickey, pag-upan tulog. Oh. They have their sleeping position outside the living quarter. And you have here in the carpet, si Fifi and then si Billy on the carpet. While Dash here is on the floor. So with the other 4 puppies. Days ago ang ilang feeding and they were transferred now to the newly prepared beddings at they were put in place. Siguro dahil sa kanilang antok, bagsak silang lahat, tulog na tulog. While their mommy Amos also sleeping here on the right side. Here. Fifi at saka si Jerlix. Ayan, si Cake na tayo-tayo na. The white boy. The white boy. Walk na. Walking na. Girl na. Si Cake, girl. Kinsa tong boys?
Si Bailey, si Elik, o si Dash.
Billy, Elik, Dash, yay. Ayan, tatlo. Okay, enjoy walking. We have here Cake and standing white. And then si Pipi. And then that is Jerlix. Oh, lay down na si Jerlix. At nandito lang sa kabila si Dash, si Elik. And then ito si Ace. Ash. So Ash. Today is 3rd of July at 3:20 in the afternoon. They have another sleeping time. Sleeping time for the puppies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Dito na sa among yuta.
Caressing belly.
Si Jerlix.
Belly. Okay, Elik the green is crying. Walking, Elik. This is Jerlik in yellow. And then Bailey with Ash. Bailey and Ash together. Yes. Billy and us. And then Elik came to them. And then you have the blue is Dash. Dash. And sleeping still is the one in purple. Fifi and Cake. Fifi and Cake sleeping still. Elik walking around. Elik. Okay. Elik the grain is crying and converging with the yellow Jordik and Billy. So Billy and Jordik together and then crying is still Elik. And you have here the blue who is Dash. Dash trying to look after the three who are still sleeping. The guys who are sleeping are Ash, Pipi, and Cake. Ash, Pipi, and Cake are still sleeping. The time now is 3:40 p.m. and they are still sleeping. Itong si Cake, itong si Pipi, Cake, si Pipi, o si Ash, they're still asleep. And also with the others at this time. But in between, before 3:20, itong si scrolling, itong si Elik, and then also Jerlix and Billy they were active, and then they sleep again. They sleep again at 3:20. Everybody, almost everybody, all of them fall asleep at 3:20. Okay. Oh, Jerlix, are you awake, Jerlix? The other are still sleeping, Jerlix. Yellow, the Jerlix. Jerlix. In the afternoon, of 4:05, they are still sleeping. 4 of them are still very asleep, and look at this three stretching. Who is stretching? Si Billy. No?
Cake.
The Cake? Cake.
Si Dash ng blue.
Yung gitna ba?
Si Cake.
A Cake is stretching in the middle, but they are still asleep. Most of them. Amos also asleep here. Changing position. Still sleeping. Here. And also Jerlix again sleep. Okay. Baby Moss. Ayan. Ayan, sulod na siya. Ayan. Ayan. Masaya na sila. Amos. Lie down, Moss. Kasaka din. Walo bito ng dede. Oo, naghuot na. Naghuot na, oh. Ipon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yan, oh. Ito yan. Isa wa pa ka, eh. Kuhaan. Si Kate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ang isa nakahiga, oh. Ikatlo, wala dito. Ha? Kapaurok na, oh. Oh. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ang isa, nakahiga. Ngita. Ang ilong.
Kawal, no?
Yan. Ito sa ilong. Ako, tanggal. Dali kayo mabusog. So, the other 6 are still there. Vamos. Si Asmos, oh. Asmos. Ugay, Mos. Kiss Asmos. Okay, Mos. Ay, ay. Vamos, si Fifi. The purple Fifi. And then, si Das, oh. Si Das lumapit sa kanyang mami. Oh, tapos na sila. Okay, busog na sila. Oh, narito sino ba yung blue? Ang blue ay si Dash. Si Dash. Si Cake, oh, and Billy. And then itong blue, si Dash. Yan. Si Cake, nagbili pa. Tapos na. Okay, ito. 5:12 in the afternoon. 5:12 and then, yan. Nakaposisyon na naman sila para matulog. Since 5:12, posisyon na naman silang matulog. Ito. Positioning herself in the corner. At nilapitan siya ni yellow Jurlix. With the green is Ilik. Higa na si Ilik. And in that corner, you have the 3 puppies. The red one is Ash. The pink one lie down is Cake. And then the one in the purple he is trying to position themselves for the next sleeping time. Okay. They keep on changing position. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What happened? Billy is crying, Billy. This is Billy crying. And this is... Who is this? Purple. Ano, this is green. This is blue. This is Dash. And then over there, green is Ilik. And the one purple is Fifi. The one on the red is Ash and yellow Jurlix. And then on the corner is Cake. And still barking and crying is the black one is Billy. Billy. Hug Billy. Okay. Hugging Ilik and Billy. Oh, Ilik. Nagdagan na ni Billy. Nandito si Jurlix, yellow. Yan, another position sa ilang pagtulog. Andiyan na naman. Sleeping position at 5:22 in the afternoon. Tulog na naman sila. Kanang color ka?
No, cute si Dash.
Kana o, cute dyan na siya. Si Cake.
Si Cake.
Pink, si Cake.
Cake, ikaw.
Coffee and Cake. Ito. Side by side. Ito si Jurlix.
Oh, memorize na si Daddy sa name.
Oh,
Sige na, ga.
ito man eh. Si Billy man niya at saka si ano yung blue?
Vlog, si Dad.
Si Blue Dash. Dash Blue.
Si Elic ang green and red.
Ash.
Si Ashu.
Ash and Ilik. Oh. 2 by 2.